uh, import your Excel data into Jamovi. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open your the Jamovi the Jamovi that you installed in your laptop. Here, I am now opening my Jamovi, the Jamovi that I installed in my laptop. So here, as I open it, so this screen, this window will appear, the Jamovi window, and then you have to click this menu button, and then this window will appear. The left side window will appear here, and click open, and then browse. Click browse. So as you click the browse button, the let me do it again. The click open. So I'll be click let me drag it here. Okay, okay, click browse. As I click the browse button, so the this window or the window will appear, another window will appear. So you have to go to to the the file where you save the Excel data that you want to import into Jamovi. So here, this is the data that I want to import to Jamovi, into Jamovi. So click open. Okay, so as you click it, and then this window, the Jamovi window will appear. As you can see on the left side, this is the data that I imported using Excel data. So as you can see, I have here the variable name, the respondents. This is the respondents. The column one is the respondents. As you can see, since this is a dummy data, again, sir and mom, this is a dummy data. That's why I only have 50 respondents or 50 sample here. So since this is a dummy data to for the purpose of statistics, to share with you how I do my statistics. So from respondents one, you have to encode in your Excel file, you have to encode, let's say for instance, this is the respondents one, you have to encode horizontally. You have to encode horizontally the responses of the respondents. As you can see with the questionnaires that I use with this dummy data, let's say I ask the respondent's age, the respondent's gender, and then this verbal one, verbal two, verbal three, verbal four, verbal five, verbal six, verbal seven, eight, and then this is the overall mean score. Actually, this verbal, this one, this verbal 1 to 8 with the overall mean score, it has something to do with the verbal sexual harassment experience among the college students. Again, this is a dummy data. So another one is the nonverbal. So nonverbal one, two, three, four, five. So I have four items as from the respondents or asked to the respondents. And then again, this is a nonverbal sexual harassment. experience among the college students. As you can see, as I was saying, these are just a dummy data for the purpose of showing with you how to import uh, the Excel data using Jamovi. So thank you once again. Thank you so much.